Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can buy the premium of your Vimeo on the Vimeo. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, now simply what we need to do we have to click on this upgrade option. We have to open the Vimeo first, and later on we have to click on this upgrade option. And after clicking on the upgrade option, you will get the different types of packages here. Now you have to choose that which package you want. These are the annually. If you want the monthly, you can also do that. Like the free, this is the free. Currently we are using this one, free one, and the starter is $20. And in this $20 you will get these all facilities, these all features. And in the $33 you will get these things, and in $108 you will get these things. And in $108 you will get in the advanced one you will get these all things here. If you want annually, you can also do that. In the annually there will be a 40% sale. You will get all these things in this price. So in this way you can buy the premium of your Vimeo. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. Now simply what we have to do, simply you just need to click on the get starter, and after clicking on the get starter you have to provide the payment method, and after providing the payment method it will be purchased. So in this way you can do that. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.